Come on, everyone! Let's race through the Rainbow Hills! The magical finish line is just up ahead!
Oh, sheep.
Welcome to the magical meadow. Look at all the colors. Can you count the butterflies fluttering by the fluffy clouds?
All right, everyone, follow my lead. Let's show these mountains how we celebrate the aurora.
Hey kids, look around! This is the happiest jungle in the world!
Welcome to the Candy Garden! Isn't it sweet? We are so happy you are here to dance with us!
Welcome to the Jungle of Friendship! We're on the lookout for the legendary Sunstone, and nothing can stop us!
नवा कलर लगा लेंगे, काम चलेगा ना। ऐसे आएंगे तो नवा कलर लगाएंगे। ये कौन सा कलर बन गया? ग्रे कलर।
Welcome to the Rainbow Savannah, everyone! Let us dance and celebrate this beautiful day! Welcome to the most magical jungle you'll ever see! We are so happy you're here to play with us! Did you know these colorful rocks are called geodes? They look bumpy on the outside, but they're filled with amazing crystals. If we stretch really tall, we can almost touch those fluffy clouds. Let's reach for the sky.